let's talk about a color that's even better than black. And spoiler alert, it's not navy, and it's not gray either. Surprised? I was too. For years, black was my safety net. Black dresses, black trousers, black coats. It felt like the ultimate shortcut to looking polished. But one day, I slipped into a deep, rich shade of chocolate brown, and everything changed. The compliments weren't just about my outfit. People said I looked softer, more expensive, even a little more mysterious. That's the thing about these better-than-black colors. They do the heavy lifting quietly, like a secret weapon in your wardrobe. Did you know that Sofia Coppola, known for her understated luxury style, often favors deep browns, olives, and charcoal over basic black? Or that Coco Chanel once said, "The best color in the world is the one that looks good on you"? Sometimes what looks safe isn't what looks the most stunning. My name is Sumia. Today, let's uncover the shades that are even better than black and how they can transform your style. Number 1, chocolate brown rich, warm, and full of depth. Chocolate brown is black's elegant cousin. It feels luxurious without being harsh, and it pairs beautifully with creams, caramels, and soft blues. When I wore a chocolate brown coat one fall, people told me I looked like I belonged on the pages of a Ralph Lauren ad. Timeless and cozy. Tip: look for brown in cashmere sweaters, structured blazers, or leather boots for an old money, quietly luxurious vibe. Number 2, deep navy. If black is the classic, navy is the sophisticated upgrade. Navy brings warmth to your skin and a softness to your entire look without losing any of the polish. Amal Clooney and Princess Kate often choose navy for red carpet events. It's just as formal, but so much more flattering. Tip: try navy dresses, tailored trousers, or even a navy evening gown for a softer yet still regal effect. Number 3, olive green. Olive is a surprising neutral that whispers sophistication. It's earthy, grounded, and surprisingly versatile, especially for daytime wear. Picture a sharp olive trench coat with nude heels. It's pure, effortless chic, and far less predictable than black. Tip: pair olive with white, camel, or soft blush for a fresh, elevated look. Number 4, soft charcoal gray. If you love the slimming power of black, but crave something gentler, charcoal gray is your new best friend. It's modern, sleek, and endlessly elegant without the starkness of true black. Diane Keaton, queen of tailored and timeless style, often chooses soft grays for that exact reason. Tip: a soft gray cashmere scarf or a charcoal wool coat will lift your entire winter wardrobe. No black needed. Number 5, deep burgundy. Burgundy, the color of old libraries, velvet armchairs, and candlelight evenings. Burgundy offers the richness of black, but with a romantic old-world charm. Whenever I wear a burgundy bag or a deep wine-colored dress, people tell me I look so polished. And it's such an effortless trick. Tip: burgundy pairs beautifully with gold jewelry, camel coats, and nude heels for a complete, quiet luxury moment. So tell me in the comments, which of these better-than-black colors are you already wearing? And which one would you love to explore more? I can't wait to hear your favorites. If that sounds like your cup of chamomile tea, or maybe your glass of sparkling elderflower, make sure to subscribe. Because true elegance is never just about trends. It's about choices that elevate you quietly, beautifully, and forever. Stay radiant, stay elegant, and I'll see you next time.